Patients expect healthcare to be accessible at any time. They want to see their doctor's availability and book their slot instantly. But if your healthcare clinic is still forcing them to call in and wait on hold just to book an appointment, you are frustrating your patients and wasting your staff's time. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can simplify your healthcare appointment booking system with FluentBooking. Right after that, I'll share with you a tip that can boost customer loyalty and create a smoother, more streamlined booking experience for you. The goal is simple: to eliminate the busy work, stop the no-shows, and get you live in just a few minutes. Let's get started. The very first thing we need to do is create calendars for each physician or consultant based on their specialty. As you can see, I already have FluentBooking installed and there are a few calendars created here. And in a calendar, you can easily define the service hours and choose the exact days of the week when a physician will be available to see patients. It's really simple, so let's create one. As I am creating a calendar for a physician, let's click New and then choose Add Host. Next, I'll choose the physician who will handle the patient's consultation and set the booking type to one-to-one. Then we need to fill out the event details. Give it a clear name like General Consultation. Set your meeting duration to 30 minutes or 45 minutes, whichever suits you best. Now let's configure the location settings. With FluentBooking, you can connect your calendar with Google Meet, Zoom, or Microsoft Teams to offer telehealth appointments. Or if you prefer in-person consultations, you can simply set it as a physical visit to your clinic. The choice is yours. Now for the important part, the availability. Simply select the days of the week and set the hours when the doctor is available at the clinic. But what if the schedule changes? What if one of your doctors, physicians, or consultants is leaving early on a Friday to attend a conference? Instead of breaking your whole calendar, you can use the date overrides feature. Let's say on June 18th, you need to set up an availability from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. All you need to do is just add an override for that specific date, hit apply, and your calendar is instantly updates for the public. Now, do not let patients book appointments back to back without a break. You need to give some extra time to write patient's notes, right? Here you can easily add buffer times between appointments, set exact time slot intervals, and limit how many bookings you can take in a day. FluentBooking also gives you full flexibility to customize your booking questions and collect important patient information in advance. There's also an option to add extra questions for invitees. And the best part is you can choose the field type yourself, which makes the scheduling more flexible. To make things even smoother, I'm going to add a file upload field to the booking page. This lets patients upload their medical reports while booking, so the doctors can review them beforehand and come prepared. You can also add a short instruction message to guide patients on what they should upload. Right below that, set the maximum file size to prevent large uploads from taking up necessary storage. Then simply enable the allowed file type so patients can upload PDFs, images, or other relevant reports without any issues. Now, let's say a patient books a telehealth consultation. The default system will automatically send a booking confirmation email to both the doctor and the patient. But we don't stop there. Head over to Calendar, Edit, and then Email Notifications. Make sure the Reminder email option is enabled. Once it's turned on, FluentBooking will automatically send a reminder to the patient before their appointment. And if you'd like, you can also customize the email to match your own style and messaging. This one simple setting can dramatically reduce cancellations and no-shows. Now your calendar is ready to go, but what about getting paid? With FluentBooking, you can accept payments right inside your booking flow. Just head over to Global Settings, go to Payment, and connect your preferred gateway like Stripe or PayPal. You can also enable offline payments if that works better for your business. For now, we will connect Stripe as our payment method. And don't forget to enable the payment module and select the currency you want to accept payments in. Once everything is connected, go back to your calendar and open Payment Settings. First, tick the checkbox and enable the payment on this booking and see the native payment method already selected. The option to receive payment with Stripe is right below. At this point, you can choose one or multiple payment items, rename them if needed, and set your pricing for different sessions. When you are done, simply update the settings. And that's it. You are ready to start getting paid with every booking. Alright, now let's head back to the FluentBooking calendar section. As you can see, I have already created individual calendars for different specialists. The calendar is okay. Now it's important to make the right specialist available for the right patient. And to make this process effortless, FluentBooking has an amazing blog editor. Let me quickly show you that. Just type /FluentBooking team and add it to the page. Now you can pick all the hosts as a physician, consultant, one by one, and patients will choose based on their preference. So let's save that page and publish it. Listen, as a healthcare provider, your goal should be to make the patient's journey as smooth and blissful as possible. Now, let me share with you an advanced strategy that can boost patient satisfaction and turn an average clinic into an incredibly successful one. When a patient books an appointment, they give you their email address. So don't let that sit in a dusty database, because FluentBooking is part of the Flint ecosystem. It connects flawlessly with Flint CRM. This combo is an absolute game changer. You can set up a completely automated funnel. Here's an automation funnel you can use as inspiration to build your own. After a patient completes an appointment, the system will automatically send a feedback email the next day and a friendly reminder to follow the consultant's advice. A month later, it will automatically send them health tips or a friendly reminder to book their routine checkup and get the discount. You are building long-lasting relationships and generating recurring revenue for your healthcare facility, all while you sleep. If you're not sure how to connect FluentBooking with Flint CRM and automate your client management, check the link in the description. We have a full step-by-step video that explains everything in detail. So, implementing an automated booking system makes your facility efficient, highly responsive, and incredibly convenient. You save time, your staff is happier, and your patients get the modern experience they deserve. If you are ready to ditch the manual phone calls and step into the future of an automated doctor appointment booking system, I have put a link to FluentBooking in the description below. If this deep dive helped you out, smash that like button, let me know in the comments what kind of clinic or service you are running, and make sure you subscribe to our channel for more real strategies on growing your business. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.